Hi, this is the Zoof. 5 years in the making. With a new folding mechanism, I'm going to present it to you. We have 3 functionalities, 3 USPs: functionality, ergonomics, and design. Let me start with functionality. I'm going to fold this wheelchair and I'm going to take off the wheels, and I'll explain more. With the wheels off, you can see this wheelchair is rather compact. Will fit in almost every car trunk. And with only 10 kilos, handleable for most of the people. Let me put the wheels back together and I'll explain more. Now, all the modules of this wheelchair are integrated. Cushioning and footrest are fixed, and you don't have to worry about taking them off when you unmount the wheelchair. By unfolding the wheelchair, it's one push. The wheelchair is now ready to be used and the patient can sit in it. As we do not have a crossbar under the wheelchair, we have therefore more volume for you to store any object you would like. Here, we added a personal touch for a handbag, whatever you want to fix on a hook. Regarding ergonomics, our wheelchair doesn't fold in the middle. Therefore, we have a stable sitting surface. Your weight will be way better distributed on this wheelchair. The slope of the wheelchair is increased by 10 degrees to minimize slip. The sitting angle is open to 110 degrees for us to maximize your comfort in this wheelchair. And last but not least, we added the touch of a push bar for a better maneuverability and a simpler way of handling the wheelchair. Regarding design, we went for a modern design in order to reduce the stigma of this wheelchair. We'd like for you to not feel handicapped. Regarding the colors, we have 4 colors. We have blue, green, gray, and beige. Regarding the color you will choose, we will add this color on the wheel and the knitting of the storage bag. That's it. Thanks a lot for listening. And if you have any questions, I'll be on the webpage. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you.